Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. So Ethereum remains in this support zone. It'll be interesting now to see what's happening on the smaller time frame. So we'll take a look at that in this video because Ethereum has obviously done what we needed it to do for a first indication that maybe a meaningful low formed, because we have now a micro 5-wave move up, at least from this week's low. So we're going to take a look at that. I'm not super convinced yet that we've bottomed because we haven't broken above any of our signal lines yet. Yeah. So you might remember from the in the previous updates, I explained to you very often that we need a break above a certain level to get a good indication that actually a low is in here in this wave 4, yeah, and that is a break above $4,400. That has not happened yet. Now, what do we need to see? We need, in the first instance, some more upside momentum and a break above that level. That's absolutely crucial. I will share that with you on the smaller time frame. And overall, Ethereum really needs to hold that $3,374 level. That's the 50% retracement level that you see there on the chart. As long as we are holding that, the market can turn around and rally to new highs. And I explained to you over the last few days, I'd still like to see Ethereum do that and move towards 5,200 to 5,750, $5,800, maybe even a bit higher. But let's first see if we can find support in this orange zone. And let's see if the bulls can drive the price higher. That would be important. Now, looking at the shorter time frame then, we can see that the market has formed what I would consider a micro 5-wave move up, a micro 5-wave move up, but only from this swing low here that formed earlier this week. Well, it's now last week actually, on Friday the 17th. We have a 5-wave move up. It's an ugly one, yeah, but Ethereum is trying to form a low. So I have I have very clearly here a micro support zone for you guys. It's between $3,750 and $3,890. This is a micro support zone, really just relevant on the smallest time frame. And the context is uncertain because most charts, including Ethereum, still look pretty unstable, pretty weak since the crash that happened, well, on the 10th of October. But if October is supposed to be in any way Uptober, yeah, then we should start to see some movements now, because we don't have many days in October left. And so I think, there is a reasonable scenario for higher prices, but the market needs to hold our micro support area. That's why it's on the chart. Yeah. Any break below 3,750 and we start to look for lower towards the 50% retracement level down there at 3,374. So from a bullish point of view, what would be ideal now is here. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down in a B wave. This is what I would track from a bullish point of view. And then from there, a C wave up could follow. But we need to hold this micro support area. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know if anything changes. Yeah, if any short-term patterns change. But ultimately, over the next, let's say, 24 hours, it would be ideal to get a corrective pullback and then break out above the A wave high and move towards 4,400. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X channel as well for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.